Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Masai Assignment Solution. My name is Mandip Prahar, and today we are going to do one more question is total words, okay, and in Java. And let's start this question and what he said to us. I will explain you. I am not reading this description part. I will directly go to our input part and see and what he said to us. So see, uh, so things like that you can say voting over here. Okay, or in this voting we have three candidates, not two candidates. One is A, okay, another one is B, okay, and one is our voter. Okay, these both have some votes. Like that, you can see at here 1, 2, and 0, 2 and 0. Okay, so now what we will do, and this voter have some votes like that. He have one vote. Okay, so now so whenever A is winning, then we will print minus. If B is winner, then we return plus. And we also need to find one. We also need to apply one more thing because this voter still don't give his vote. Okay, he don't give his vote. Okay, so what happened at here? We are assuming that if we give his vote to B, so you can see the vote of 2 is A is 2, and then the vote of B become 1. Still A is winner, and you can see at here also A is winner. So in the both condition A is winner, so then we return print minus 1. Okay, so now go to this condition. At here you can see A have 3 vote, B have 7, and voter have 0 vote. If voter give his vote to A, so still B is winner. If this one is give vote at here, so you can see still B is winner. And initially B is also winner. In all three condition, if B is winner, in this case you can see in all three condition A is winner. At here you can say B is winner. If B is winner, then we print plus. Okay. At here you can see A have one vote, B have one vote, and voter have 0 vote. So both are tie. If both are tie, we print 0. But we will check first. If voter give his vote to this one, so still both are equal. If he give his vote to A, so still both are equal. So and initially both are equal also. So then we print 0. Okay, means no tie. Whenever a result go tie, we print 0. So now go to at here. At here you can see A have 0 vote, B have 0 vote, and voter have 1 vote. If voter give his vote to A, then A winner. Okay. If voter give to his vote to B, so then B will be winner. Okay. So now we are confusing because he did not give his vote. So we can't assume that this voter give his vote to A and B. We don't know. So means result should be confusing. Anyone can mean. So we will be print question mark at here. So these are the 4 conditions we need to check. Okay, now go to our coding part. You will be understand better what we are going to do at here. Okay, so much easy question. Just apply if and else condition, nothing else. So first of all, we take our all 3 things. Okay, N, M, and P. So first of all, we need to check 2 things. One is our N is greater than M. or m is greater than n. Okay, so first condition is if we are assuming that n is greater than m. Okay, so now we will go to our next condition. What is our next condition? Next condition is this one. If p, now you can see n is winner. Okay, if p give his vote to m, means we are assuming that n have 3 vote and m have 2 vote and voter have also 2 vote. Okay, so now you can see if p, if voter give his vote to n, so then this one is winner. You can see he can winner, but he give his vote to b, means m, so then m should be winner. So now result become confused because we don't know about our voter. He can be give his vote to a m, or he can be also give his vote to m. So now we can't decide our winner. Okay, so that's why you can see if our n is equal to 3, m is equal to 2, and voter is equal to 2. So at here you can say this condition satisfies. Okay, satisfies. Now will be check n is still greater than 3 if we add this vote into our m. So now you can see no, it will be not greater than 3. So we will be print this one question mark, because we know that still now our result become confusing. Okay, and what happen if you can see m is equal to 2 and voter have only 0 vote, so then you can see n is winner in first condition is true. At here you can say second condition is also true because still 3 is greater than m. So we can see still n is winner, so we will be print plus. Okay, now go to our second condition. If m is not greater than, so now you can see if m is greater than 1 second. Yeah. So now you can see after check first condition, we will be go over second condition. Is n is less than m. So then we will be apply same thing whatever we apply at here. Okay. Now we will be check, yeah, m is now m value is 4, n value is 3, and water value have you can say have 4. Okay, so we'll be check n plus p, this condition. This condition goes failed because at here we can say n plus p is greater than m. So we will be again our result become confusing because at the starting m is winner, but after voter give his vote to n, then n become winner. So that's all. And if this condition is true, means voter have 0 vote, so you can see still this condition is true, this one is also true, so means m should be winner in every condition, so we print -1. Now go to our next condition. Yeah, so at here you can say what happen if m is equal to m and n both are equal 3 and 3, and p have 0 vote. P have 0 vote, that means result should be tie always. Okay, and if both are equal and p is greater than 0, means p have 1 vote. So if means voter can be give his vote to n and m, and he gives, और ये जिसको भी वोट देगा वही जीत जाएगा. So that's why again result become confusing. So we print question mark again in this condition. So we check all the condition at here one by one. Only apply if and else, nothing we are going to do at here. Okay, so that's all in this question. And if you like my video, then please like and share my video and please subscribe my channel. थैंक यू सो मच। मिलते हैं अगले क्वेश्चन के साथ। बाय बाय।